Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to sign out of Roku account on TCL TV. Let's go. Open Settings. System. Advanced Settings. Factory Reset. Enter PIN. Is it possible to log out of my Roku account without resetting my settings? No, only through a factory reset. That's it. Now you know how to sign out of Roku account on TCL TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.